Good morning. Today I am Handre, a student of SMA Negeri Bali Mandara, will present our research that has results mathematics and statistics analyzing to find the best day for rice farming by comparing Saka calendar and climate change. So our background is, today we have problem to keep the sustainability production of rice. Sustainability is very important in order to keep fulfill food for many populations across the world. This problem also common in Bali. In Bali, population increased extremely, but in other hand, the production of rice is gradually decreased. In Bali, we have methodology that the result of harvesting rice not depend on the method of how we do farming, but also depend on which starting date we use to start the farming. Balinese people usually use Saka calendar to find the best day for starting farming, or we call as in Bali Dewasa Ayu. In order to make comparison between Saka calendar and the usual calendar or Gregorian calendar that is internationally, we make Balinese calendar. So the Balinese calendar is synchronization between Saka calendar and Gregorian calendar. The problem is, the farmer in Bali must wait until the next year Balinese calendar produce before they start plan which they will starting for farming next year, because it's difficult to compare Saka Dewasa Ayu in Saka calendar with the Gregorian calendar. The other problem is Saka calendar made about 2000 years before, so the natural condition 2000 years before with nowadays is different. So in order to fix it, we use the reports of rainfall in Bali area from 1979 until 2010 to predict which days the best day for starting farming. So we will do comparison the Dewasa Ayu or the best starting days for start farming in Saka calendar with the report of rainfall in Bali area. For more clearly, so I will tell the method of our research. The first, we have Saka calendar. We will do some experiment using mathematical properties to find the pattern, the Dewasa Ayu or starting date for starting farming in Saka calendar. The second is climate change report. This climate change report from Department of National Statistics will we analyze using statistical properties to find which rain season and which rain is dry season. So best day for rice farming can we get or can we determine by comparing Saka calendar and climate change report. So the result of our research, we have two kind of pattern, that is least common multiple and then function. For least common multiple, we know Saka calendar have system wuku. One wuku is mean that 1 week. We have 30 different wuku, that is Sintalanda, Bukir, Pulantir, and etc. That is as a cycle. The other one is Sabtuari. Sabtuari is also a system in Saka calendar. Sabtuari have 7 different. That is Rite Soma Angara Budul. That is same with our usual day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and etc. So this is also a cycle. To take an example, that the best day is Warigil Waraspati. So there is least common multiple between two kind of condition, that is 210 days. So for make it clear, I make example. 5 January 2012 is Waraspati Warigil. This is Gregorian, and then this is the Saka calendar. So 210 days after Feb January will be to August 2012. That is also Vraspati day. So for this kind of term, we can conclude that our research is true. The other result that I have is pattern by function. Saka calendar system have Urep. Urep is the miracle of the energy value of Saptavarna and the Wuku. The x-axis is the Urep for Saptavarna, and then the y-axis is the Urep for Wuku. So by comparing this and splitting the data, we use regressive linear to find the best fit to accommodate all of the spreading data in graph. So we have polynomial with 6 degrees. So that's the function. So if you predict a day that you consider as a best day, first you must put it for Saptavarna as x variable, and then if your variable is also the Urep for Wuku, so that is the best day. So this function as the checks and balance for Saptavarna and Wuku. The other result is analyzing statistics. We have two conclusions that rain season become longer between 1979 until 2010. So that is September until April, and dry season is May until August. So the discussion, we will compare the Saka calendar and then the rainfall seasons. So if we compare it, January 2012, and this is rain season. So this is true. We can start farming in January 2012. But for August 2012, that is not true because this is dry season. So we will have problem with the water if we start farming that day. So the conclusion is, first, Dewasa Ayu as a pattern. Second, climate change affect the rainfall seasons. And then the best day for rice farming can be determined by comparing two conditions. The first is Dewasa Ayu on the best starting date in Saka calendar, and the second is climate change. In the rainfall season time is different between 1979 until 2010. So that's our presentation. Thank you.